Welcome to Fanjian Inn, your exquisite sanctuary in the heart of Xian, where booking your unforgettable journey is as effortless as scanning the QR code appearing now or consulting the description below. Our haven, established in 2020 and recently refreshed, elegantly blends modern comfort with the timeless allure of ancient China. Within these walls, you will discover 38 meticulously appointed rooms, each a testament to refined living, designed to anticipate your every desire. Whether your quest is to witness the majestic spectacle of the bell tower or to become immersed in the vibrant life of the nearby Muslim quarter, Fanjian Inn provides an exceptional starting point for your adventures. Begin your experience with a seamless check-in, commencing at noon, allowing you generous time to settle in and commence your exploration of Xian's wonders. And as your experience draws to a close, a leisurely checkout at noon ensures you can savor every last precious moment. Families are warmly welcomed, children aged 2 and under stay free of charge, allowing for a relaxed, cherished vacation together. At Fanjian Inn, experience the quintessential warmth of Xian hospitality, where comfort transcends mere accommodation and becomes an enriching cultural experience. Every detail has been carefully considered to provide an atmosphere of tranquility and convenience. Stay connected with complimentary Wi-Fi available throughout the hotel. Experience effortless efficiency with our express check-in and checkout services, allowing you to maximize your precious time. We are pleased to provide all our guests with luggage storage. Indulge in an Xian experience like no other. Make your reservation today by simply scanning the QR code, linked for your convenience, to embark on your luxurious escape at Fanjian Inn.